Want to launch your own website but don't know where to start? In this video, I will show you exactly how to buy a domain and hosting step by step in just a few minutes. No tech skills needed. Let's quickly clear this up. A domain is your website name like yourname.com. Hosting is where your website lives, a server that keeps your site online 24/7. You need both to launch a website. There are many hosting providers for beginners. I recommend Hostinger or Namecheap. They offer affordable plans, free SSL and free domain with hosting. Step 1. Visit the hosting site. Go to hostinger.com. Step 2. Choose a plan. Choose a beginner-friendly plan like Premium Shared Hosting. It includes a free domain, email, and SSL certificate. Step 3. Select time and create account. Select a 12-month plan. It's affordable and gives the best value. Create your account using email or Google. Step 4. Register your domain. Type the domain name you want like myfirstwebsite.com. Make sure it's available. Then click continue. Step 5. Complete payment. Enter your payment details and complete the purchase. Done. After payment, you will land on your dashboard. From here, you can install WordPress in one click and start building your site. And that's it. You now own your domain and hosting. Your website is ready to grow. Like the video, subscribe for more beginner guides, and let me know in the comments if you want a WordPress setup tutorial next.